As the governor plans for more COVID-19 testing in Arizona, the agency overseeing those test makers is changing policy. Citing fraud and inaccuracy, the Food and Drug Administration is tightening scrutiny on antibody tests. Those are the tests that are supposed to show if someone's been exposed to the virus, but it's not active in their system right now. The Rebound Arizona team has been questioning test accuracy for weeks. And tonight, Let Joe Know's Joe Ducey explains why.
Since March, the Food and Drug Administration has allowed coronavirus antibody tests on the market without determining the tests are even accurate.
I think there are some potential concerns here.
She's Mayo Clinic microbiologist Dr. Bobby Pritt. As clinics across Arizona started promoting the tests, the Rebound Arizona went to Pritt concerned about test accuracy. They're supposed to show whether someone had coronavirus and could possibly be immune. But under emergency conditions, the Food and Drug Administration has approved only 12 tests, allowing more than 150 others to be marketed without review.
You have to have the skills and abilities to really evaluate tests if you're going to be bringing them in without that FDA oversight.
But after a House committee investigation into antibody test accuracy, after a study by California universities showing a larger number of tests with false positives, the FDA changed its policy. The FDA now saying they see unscrupulous actors marketing fraudulent test kits, taking advantage of Americans' anxiety. And the FDA admits a concerning number of commercial serology or antibody tests are performing poorly based on independent evaluation. So, new rules. Among them, the tests must now meet FDA's specificity and sensitivity criteria. Makers have 2 weeks to provide data to the FDA. The change comes as Arizona is pushing active virus testing, but also antibody testing, with the governor's office saying 1,000 to 3,000 antibody tests can be done daily. It's something the state's own Department of Health Services is not recommending. A department spokesperson told the Rebound Arizona it is unknown if a positive, serologic, or antibody test for COVID-19 means that someone is immune to COVID-19. Tests may be falsely positive. Therefore, ADHS is not recommending the use of COVID-19 serologic tests. Last week, the governor's office told us antibody testing is an important emerging tool to provide more data when making decisions. That it's not a cure-all, but an important step. We asked the governor's office if that statement changes because of the FDA's actions. We'll let you know when we do. For the Rebound Arizona, I'm Joe Ducey. If you got a problem, let me know.